So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and break down how to get your dealer license and also give you a brief overview over my program and how we can help you get your dealer license right now in the easiest way possible in all 50 states. So this is Dealer License Course 101. If you're watching this video, you probably seen me through YouTube or TikTok or Instagram. My name is Caleb Butler. I've been buying and selling cars for the last 8 years. And honestly, getting my dealer license has absolutely changed my life in ways that I couldn't even imagine. It's opened up doors, opportunities, build my credit, made connections, lifelong friends. And this has been one of the best opportunities for me to really change my life. When I first got my dealer license, prior to that, I was just a lifeguard. I wasn't making money like that, maybe $12 an hour. I got my pool operator license so I can run pools completely by myself, a la carte. And I really didn't have a goal, right? I went to college, I ended up flunking out, and I had a friend one day tell me, "Yo, I should get my dealer license," and that's exactly what I did. And this is the same thing, same exact blueprint that he essentially gave me 8 years that I'm going to give to you guys as well. So this is a course essentially that I used to actually charge thousands of dollars for, but right now it's absolutely free. I won't charge anything. All I need is your time, and I'm going to be dropping some free gems in here so you can walk away with something rather than just wasting your time. So we're first going to go over essentially how to get your dealer license, as you can see right here. Is this doable as a beginner? The easiest way to get your dealer license, types of different dealer license as well, how to operate from home using your dealer license, ways to make money using your dealer license, how to become a profitable car dealer from home, and how to obtain your own dealer plates, and also how to also keep expenses as low as possible. So again, I'm gonna give you an introduction on who I am. Again, my name is Caleb Butler. Most people know me as Thank You Cheese or Cheese. I built my brand around helping everyday people understand the car business, get access to dealer auctions, and obtain their own dealer license without having to figure out it on their own. Through my content and my done for you services, I've simplified what can feel like a complicated licensing process and turn it into a clear path for people who want to start buying and selling cars legally. My goal with this free course is simple: show you how to get your dealer license, show you how the game works, what it actually takes to get licensed, how you can use the dealer license to create opportunities in the automotive industry. Again, my Instagram is Thank You Cheese. So right now, I'm gonna break down how to get your dealer license on your own. Right, so you're here, and I want to show you how you can do it on yourself. And again, this isn't the easiest route. This isn't the cheapest route, that's for sure. But again, this is if you wanted to grab some value and do it on your own. This is how you would do it on your own. So the first thing, you're gonna have to choose what license type you want. Would you want a wholesale, retail, a broker license, or a salvage license? We'll go ahead and just use retail license for now, right? So we're going to go ahead and start a retail license. Now you need to pick which state you want to get licensed in. For example, if you live in the state of Maryland, Virginia, or DC, you need to make sure you're figuring out where you want to get licensed at. So we'll do Virginia for this example. The next step is you want to go ahead and start your business entity. You want to get your LLC. The corporation isn't necessary, but you want to do a LLC and make sure the LLC has a name that's unique to you. It can't be like USA Auto Sales LLC. It needs to be something unique to you. For example, my last name is Butler. I would do Butler Auto Sales LLC. Then you need to get your EIN. Essentially, this is just like a social security for your business license, so you can go ahead and open up a business bank account. The next step is you need to secure a location, and you can find these locations on Crexy, Facebook Marketplace, or even LoopNet. And these prices on these locations can be extremely high. Right now, I just looked before I did this presentation. It was about $2,000 for a shack, pretty much, in a physical location. Again, this is the route if you were to set it up on your own. This isn't my done for you process that I will explain after I show you how to get your own, right? So the next step is you need to make sure your zoning is approved in your city or county, and then also complete any required dealer education course. Also, make sure you're zoned for auto sales or heavy machinery being parked, things like that. You can't be parked next to a school. You can't be zoned next to a neighborhood and things like that. So every city and county has their own specific regulations when it comes to these. Right. The next step is you need to get a bond and insurance. A surety bond essentially protects a customer. Let's say you sell them a messed up car or something like that. They can sue your dealership and you can forfeit your bond. The bond is around $25,000. You only have to pay 1% towards it. And what a bond does, the bond company will look at is like if you are financially responsible, making sure that you don't have any bankruptcies, whether it's a Chapter 7, 11, or 12 bankruptcy. Then also insurance. You're going to have to get a commercial insurance policy. They will check your motor vehicle driving record over the last 3 years, make sure that you can operate and have a dealer license and keeping your rates low as well, right? You don't want to have a bunch of at fault accidents and then you want to start selling cars because, again, you will be high risk. The next step is prepare your application, fingerprints, and background check. I would say 90% of states require you to do all of these things. So just make sure you're prepared when it comes to a background check. Some states don't want you to have any felonies at all. Other states will work with you if you have a felony. For example, if you have grand theft or anything that has to do with auto auto like vehicle theft or anything like that, they will most likely deny you for getting your dealer license. The next step is submit everything to the state or your licensing agency and then pass your location inspection if required. I would say 99% of states require you to pass a inspection. You'll make sure you do the inspection before you submit everything to the state just so you're not wasting time. And then receive your license. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks for you to get your license on your own. After all those steps are completed, that process takes about like 7 to 8 weeks before you can even sell a vehicle, right? So again, that's how to get your dealer license on your own. Here are some difficulties and roadblocks. You can get your location denied for not meeting standards. You forget a desk, a filing cabinet, or something like that. Your bond could get denied, because of bankruptcies or your insurance, because of your driving record. State requirements are just too difficult for you to even get through. And then it's a headache dealing with paperwork and filing, honestly. A lot of people, they just get stressed out, and it's an overwhelming process. And this is why most beginners give up. It's an intimidating process to start with no experience. You're in the dark. It's a complex process. And states do this intentionally to reduce competition. There's no help or assistance from the state when you have questions or concerns. An application denials for small reasons like zoning or background. Again, this happens all the time. We have people that come through our program and they're like, "Hey, Caleb, I couldn't get approved in my state. They were just making it so hard." And it's also like kind of like a bureaucracy, a bureaucrat, where like in politics, the big guys don't want small guys coming in. So that's why it's so difficult for us little guys to go ahead and get started when it comes to starting your own dealership. So now I'm going to break down the easiest way to obtain your dealer license. So I built my process to make getting a dealer license simple, clear, and hands-off as possible. Instead of spending weeks trying to figure out your state requirements, paperwork, zoning, bonds, applications, inspections on your own, my team helps guide you through the entire process from start to finish. We help you understand exactly what you need, what order to do it in, and what mistakes to avoid as well, so you're not wasting time guessing or getting stuck. And the goal is simple. Take one of the most confusing parts of entering the car business and turn it into an easy to follow, done for you experience. So here's my package overview. These are packages that we've offered over the last 2 years. And essentially, I wanted to set up this entire blueprint and layout for you guys so you guys can understand exactly what it is that I offer. So my dealer rep program is a great entry point for someone who wants to get into the dealer world without immediately going through all the process of obtaining their own license. I just broke down the entire process on how to get your own. But this option is great for you to just get access, learning the business, and start with a simpler setup. You won't have to worry about commercial insurance, a bond, a physical location. You get attached to a license that's already established. Next step, the next package we offer is a wholesale dealer license, right? This is designed for people primarily who want to sell vehicles dealer to dealer, access dealer auctions, and also operate with additional requirements that typically come with selling directly to the public. So if you're trying to sell directly to the public, you will need a reassignment. But this is like our most inexpensive license for you to get, and it's your own license, right? So that's the best part about it. You're the owner operator of this license, and you can do whatever you want with that license, right? You get 3 dealer plates. You can go to these auctions. But again, this is just a brief overview. The next one is our retail dealer license, our most complete option for someone who wants to build a full dealership operation. This allows you to buy and sell vehicles directly to consumers, directly to the public, and operate under your own dealership business. Again, it's your own license. You're the owner operator, and you're able to print temp tags. You're able to sell directly to the public. You can work with financing companies. You can get access to floor plans, and all these options are a done-for-you setup, right? We make sure that we give you guys the best services when it comes to getting your dealer license, and that's why we're the number one in the country right now. So I'll give you an overview now over the dealer representative package we offer. The dealer representative program is designed for someone who wants to start operating the automotive space without immediately going through the full process of obtaining their own independent dealer license. Again, you avoid overhead, you avoid commercial insurance, you avoid rent, you avoid a lot of the expenses that do drown out a lot of beginners. This is how I started. 8 years ago, I got attached to a license that was already established. And this way I was able to start buying and selling cars without the headache of, managing everything, right? So I was attached to a license that was already established. I got my dealer plate, and I started buying and selling cars for 5 years, and then I went independent once I built up my capital a little bit more. But again, this is a great opportunity. Allows you to navigate these auctions. You can source vehicles, understand how buying and selling works. You're able to work under a dealership that's already established. If you have any questions, we're here for you to help. And also, the best thing about this package, and by far it's our most sold package, is that you receive access instantly. There is no delayed gratification. It's instant gratification. So let's say you were to go ahead and move forward with this package today, you'll be able to start buying and selling cars immediately. So again, our next package right here is our independent wholesale license. And this will allow you to start buying and selling cars. You can sell dealer to dealer. You can buy cars from the auction, fix them up, send them back to the auction. You can export vehicles out the country. We actually have many guys who grab this license and start exporting vehicles to either Ghana, South America, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic. And again, this is your own license, but it does carry an overhead, right? So you're going to have a commercial insurance, which I'll give you a quote. It ranges depending on your driving record. The highest that I've seen is around $220 a month. And then there's also a bond that you have to pay once a year, which is only $250. But these licenses is great. Again, you're the owner operator license. You can add anyone you want to your auction access account. You can bring your mom, your dad, your grandma, even your dog if you like. Again, it is your own license, so you can start buying and selling cars. From dealer to dealer, B2B, essentially. If you were to try and sell to the public, you would have to get a reassignment from a retail dealership. But I do explain that more in depth in my one-on-one trainings that will be linked in my bio. The next license that we do have is independent retail license, and this by far is our flagship license. This allows you to become a walking dealership. You're able to start buying and selling cars. You're a walking dealership. You can finance. You get floor plans. You can sell to your neighbors. You can sell to your aunt, your cousin, your uncle. And, this is really by far the best option. And it is your own license. You're the owner operator of this license, and it does carry an overhead expense. But again, to have ownership of anything, you still are going to have, that overhead expense as well. Expenses are completely nominal compared to what expenses could be if you were to go on your own. But again, for a retail license, insurance quote is around $200 a month, right? That's nominal compared if you were to get a physical location and, get your own quote, and you want, the top coverages, you could be spending anywhere between $1,500 to $2,000 a month. We work with the number one insurance company when it comes to fulfilling commercial insurance and bonds as well. The rates are extremely low. So how are we able to provide this? So the way that we're able to set up a turnkey business is we have a warehouse where we set up offices on your behalf, right? So we have retail and wholesale dealership licenses that are turnkey. We have a lot of space. And then we also refine the process so that there's no guessing or, you trying to figure out the next steps. We have it essentially systemized. We've successfully helped over 5,000 everyday people become a car dealer, making us the number one program in the country. And our hands-on approach also allows us to give you, 24/7 support throughout the entire process. There will be 3 links in my bio. The top link will be for you to go ahead and book a call. The second link will be to go ahead and get started the process immediately. And the third link will have the testimonials. If you guys are still skeptical about the process, you'll be able to see the testimonials. So how to operate from home using your dealer license. So again, let's say you live in the state of Massachusetts and we set up a Georgia retail dealer license for you, right? There is no law saying that a Massachusetts resident can't buy from a Georgia dealership, right? So all you'd have to do is give them is a bill of sale, and you also give them the title, and they go register at the state and pay the taxes for that vehicle, the sales price on that vehicle at the state that they're residing in. And all my options allow you to operate 100% from your home, and you can resell on Facebook Marketplace. So ways to make money using your dealer license. There's a lot of ways, retail vehicle sales, selling directly to consumers for a profit, wholesale vehicle sales. You're able to sell to other dealers or even back at the auction. The dealer auction flipping, finding cheap vehicles with bumpers hanging off, vehicles that need an engine, make them good enough, kind of putting makeup on a pig, send them back to the auction, keep the profit in between there. There's consignment sales. You can sell on behalf of friends and family, keep a fee on the percentage of it. Trade-in sales, you can go ahead and find vehicles that are trade-ins, or you can receive trade-ins. But you can go to dealerships and be like, hey, I got my dealer license. I want to go ahead and, see all your vehicles before you send them out to auction. You can export vehicles as well, and then also specialty vehicle sales, right? So me personally, I just sold last week a 2018 BMW M3 CS. It was one of 60. I sold that vehicle, made around $6,000 in profit. Another question I'm sure you probably have is, are dealer plates included? And yes, every option we offer does have dealer plates included, but variables do depend on your commercial insurance rates, right? We just want to make sure you're driving safely. If you get pulled over, you're protected. If you get in an accident, you're protected as well. So dealer plates are absolutely included. Now, keeping expenses as low as possible. The way we're able to keep expenses low is we have the best rates on insurance and bonds. And then also we rent out offices for a nominal fee. They range anywhere between $250 to $450 a month for our office spaces as well. So, again, you're looking at an overhead expense, on the low end, if you have a good driving record, on the $150 for your insurance. And then, let's say you get a physical location from us for $300. That's around $450 a month to run a full dealership from your home. That's absolutely insane. So now you're going to wonder what's pricing for do all of this, right? Getting this started, and the truth of the matter is pricing does depend on availability, right? We do own a warehouse and we do have dealership licenses that are available to attach you to as a dealer representative. So it does vary on space and what's available at the moment. So if you are wondering about pricing, you can book a call with my team with the top link, or you could click the second link in my bio to get started immediately. You'll be able to see the current prices that are available today. And then again, if you're skeptical about the process or anything like that, we do have a testimonial page linked at the third link inside my bio. I appreciate you watching this video. If you have any questions at all, don't be afraid to comment. And again, this is just something free that I wanted to put together. So if you guys had any questions or skepticism about it, what it is I do, this is exactly what I do. So I appreciate you staying tuned and watching this video. I do look forward to you starting this process with us.